Well done. So you would use that as part of a nice skating routine?
We'd use that to warm up. When you first get on the ice, it really gets your knees going. And then sometimes you would use half a lemon in a routine if you were going to turn or go into a crossover or a lift or something.
Oh, Laura, I'm going to just watch you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, this morning, despite the fact we were on an ice rink, it's a lovely mild start to the day, not just in London, but across the land, mild and breezy. What you'll find, though, is there's also quite a bit of cloud around. Now, through the course of the day, the cloud will break in the shelter of the hills, and some of us, like yesterday, will see some hazy sunshine. But the cloud is always thick enough to produce some rain across the north and the west of Scotland. So, this morning at 9 o'clock across Scotland, we've got the rain in the north and the west, also rather breezy. To the shelter of the Grampians, you might just see some hazy sunshine through the course of the day. Coming south into the north of England, here too, across the Cambrian Fells, the Pennines, there'll be some drizzle around. To the east, though, some brighter breaks and some hazy sunshine. And then the Midlands, East Anglia, all the way down to the south coast, it's the same as we've got here in London. There's a cloud cover, but breaking in places, so some brightness, some sunshine, hazy sunshine at that too. For the southwest of England, there is a wee bit of drizzle around this morning, but breaks to the east of the moors. And across Snowdonia, for example, you may well see some drizzle as well. But generally across Wales, it will be mostly dry with a fair bit of cloud and the breaks to the east of the hills. Northern Ireland also seeing some breaks after a cloudy start. Here, though, it should be mostly dry. So then, the forecast for the rest of the day is one of quite a lot of cloud, still the rain across the north and west of Scotland, still the drizzle in parts of the west, but with some hazy sunshine just breaking through that cloud, and temperatures between about 11 and 13 degrees. Now today it is going to be quite breezy, but as we go through the evening, ahead of a weather front coming into the northwest, the wind will pick up and it will become quite windy, and then the rain comes in, and this heralds a bit of a change in our weather. So the rain will continue to push steadily southeastwards. Behind it, it's going to become much colder than it has been, but still mild ahead of the rain band. So that's how we start tomorrow, with the rain heading south. It will eventually clear the southeast as we go through the afternoon. Behind it, drier conditions, but some showers in the northwest, some of which will be wintry, even to lower levels across the far north of Scotland. And it will be turning colder, some of us already certainly in that cold air. Then as we head on into Christmas Eve, colder, but nothing unusual for the time of the year, closer to what we'd expect actually at this time of the year. But later on we'll have a weather front coming into the west, and that's going to introduce some rain into the north and west for Christmas Day. Some of it could be persistent. It will also be windy on Christmas Day. And the other things, you'll notice the temperatures will scoot back up again, and it's going to be mild. So this is Anna and Charlie. I'm beginning to get the hang of this, so I'm off. I'll try not to crash. See you later.
Oh, she's gone. Well, where's she gone? Come back. Can we follow her around? Or she's gone so fast the camera can't keep up. I bet she's not scared. Oh, there she is. Can you do,
this
Carol?
Is a bit of a close-up.
Carol, you know the thing you did earlier? Can you do backwards? Yes, you can. Look at that. Backwards skating.
This is an accident. I'll be doing the splits in a minute.
To be fair, I think... Carol, thank you. Well done. I think that's walking backwards, actually.
Could you do it?
No, I'm just saying it looked more like walking than skating.
Steph's here with the business news. Morning again, Steph.
Oh, well, I thought Carol was brilliant there.
So did I.
Yeah, it's a lot of pressure, doing that on telly when you're in your comfortable sofa. Anyway, I'm talking about lotteries, because lots of big lotteries happening over the next couple of days. Good morning, everyone. And the big one is in Spain. The El Gordo, or the Fat One as it's known, is the biggest paying lottery